Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, what are the short posterior ciliary arteries? Short posterior ciliary arteries are the two trunks, the ophthalmic artery first. From the ophthalmic artery, there will be formation of two trunks, and each trunk will divide into 10 to 20 branches. And these 10 to 20 branches will pierce the sclera around the optic nerve. They will pierce the sclera around the optic nerve and they will supply the choroid. So these are the short posterior ciliary arteries which supply the choroid. So if this is the picture, and here there is short posterior ciliary arteries. These are the short posterior ciliary arteries. There are ophthalmic artery gives two trunks of short posterior ciliary arteries. These are two short posterior ciliary arteries which divide into 10 to 12 20 branches, and they pierce the sclera and they supply the choroid mainly.
thank you and thank you for watching.